is lobster. This is bait. We're gonna go fishing. And this is yellowtail. Yellowtail is very delicious fish that I just discovered here. I compare it to corvina and Rondon. It is Albert cleaning the yellowtail.
You put that right back in there again.
This one?
So we put in half of the garlic and half of the onion now. We're leaving the other half when we start cooking. What are you adding, Gloria?
So we have some cocoa,
Okay.
cheesecake. We're adding in here. We
Okay.
have some potatoes. We're adding in there. And then we have some plantains, some yuca,
Okay.
cassava, some baby corn,
Okay.
and some green bananas.
Okay.
All going in there.
All right.
First, you're gonna put the bastimento, the vegetables, and then once this is done, we'll add the fish and the lobster.
Sounds good.
You done burst them already and everything?
What?
The lobster.
I'm gonna do that. When you guys are gone, I'll do that.
Feeling better, buddy?
Feel better?
All right. Come check your food.
So just started to boil. Just
Just like the Baya?
Yeah.
So what are you putting in there, Vaya Vaya?
Sweet margin and basil.
What is it?
Sweet
Margin and thin basil.
sweet
Oh, yeah?
marjoram and basil.
Okay.
And then we're putting in the lobster.
So,
Down?
Open it.
Open like this? Yeah, you want it down like that?
Down like that.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, let's do this.
Take your 2 hands and make it nice.
There we go.
Wait till you take the
Uh-huh.
and shove them right down inside.
I'm gonna put them like that. And
Are they happy?
the lobsters are happy.
They want
Okay.
you to bite them up.
Lobsters are it. Kapag Maggi. They use that here.
What is that in English?
Maggi soup.
Maggi soup.
Oh.
Give it nice flavor.
Concentrated Maggi soup.
These are nice. The pescado adentro. The fish is going in there. We gotta put this and bury them inside. This is a yellowtail fish. It's the most abundant fish on the island. But we do have this little fish that molest
Big pampers.
the pamper fish.
Oh yeah, we had it in Mexico. We had it in Mexico.
Get these guys out of the way because they're pretty much done. We make room for the fish. Yeah.
Yo creo que necesita más agua. Need more soup, more soup.
You think we need more soup?
We have to put them. We have to put some flour with a little bit of water. So
Yeah, that's fine. Too little.
So what are we doing with this?
probably it's around.
Around. We're gonna put this around the fish.
What is that?
This is garlic and onions. I don't think
All right, I'm gonna take a break, dip in the water. It's getting a little bit thirsty in here. Just can't get enough of this water. I know I'm saying this all the time, but hey, if you got another word for me, just let me know. Phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Corn Island rundown. Doesn't get better than this. Fish, lobster, in a coconut milk bath. Amazing.
Food is ready. Is it ready, Gloria?
They're ready. I'm about to scoop it in here and we need to eat.
All right.
It's been teasing me for hours. So good.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Put a little rock inside. Get a little time. I'm just leaving it
Pretty good.
You are so much.
I never tasted something like this. I don't think I have tasted flavor like that.
Oh my god, I didn't think you looked
What do you think of it?
Look at this.
What?
This is
It's amazing.
so good. The best.
It's a comeback to the life.
So
Bring
good.
it back.
I love it, the best rundown.
Good job, Baya. Good job.
Ay, ay, ay.
Gloria, you tried it?
Not yet. I'm gonna myself last.
All right.